Hi everyone, welcome back to Install It Right. In today's video, I will show you how to install Turbo C++ on Windows 11 and how to write a simple Hello World program in both C and C++. Let's begin the video. First, open your web browser and search Turbo C++ and press enter. Now you will find many options. Choose the trusted website. I choose Developer Insider. Now click here to download the Turbo C++ compiler. Now you will see the Turbo C++ has downloaded successfully. Now go to your file explorer and you will see the file on download section and click right click to extract the file. Now extract all, extract and double click to the folder. Now you will see the actual software. Double click to start the installation process. Just click next. Now give the permission and accept the terms and agreement. Click next. Now click install to start the installation. Give the permission. Minimize all the stuff. Now click finish. Once the installation is complete, you will see a Turbo C++ shortcut icon on your desktop. Just double click it to open. Now click to start Turbo C++, and if you want to open in full screen you can press Alt Enter to switch to window mode. Now let's write our first C++ program. First type header file, that is #include iostream.h and write main function int main. To print the text you need to write cout double quote hello world and return 0. And to compile the program press alt plus F9. You will see the error is 0. Press enter. Now to run the program press Ctrl plus F9. Now the code is successfully run. To After that press alt plus F5 to see the output window. Now you will see it display like hello world. That means your C++ program is working perfectly. Now let's write our first C program. Go to file, new, and type the code like C++, but the syntax is different. Like first write header file #include stdio.h, write main function int main. To print the text here in C, you need to write printf bracket double quote bracket close semicolon. Write here text hello world. return 0. Now first save this file. Here you will see the .cpp. Mainly .cpp is used to run a C++ program, but here we write the C program. So we need to write only .c, and here you can change your file name and save this file just by click to OK and press Alt plus F9 to compile. Press enter and Control plus F9 to run the code and Alt plus F5 to view the output, and you will see the output is shown. You will again see how hello world did on the screen using C program, and that's it. You have successfully installed Turbo C++, written your first C++ and C program, and viewed the output. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to install it right for more easy step-by-step tutorial. Thank you.